Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can perform a factory reset on this device. So this is very useful. I highly recommend doing this if you're selling the phone or if you're giving it away to maybe a friend or a family member. What this does is it wipes the phone totally clean, removing all your personal information, all your banking details and everything. So yeah, I highly recommend doing this before you either sell the phone or before you give it away to maybe a friend or a family member. Okay, but first of all, make sure you back up any important files like pictures, videos, and those things, because once you do this, you cannot get those things back. Okay, so just go ahead and follow my steps to perform the factory reset. Also, this is very good as well if you're facing problems with the phone. 9 out of 10 times performing a factory reset will fix the issue. Okay, so to perform the factory reset, just pull down the notification panel and go into the settings and then scroll down and look for the option that says General Management. So just scroll down till you see it, General Management, and then scroll down to where it says Reset. Select the option, and then look for this option here, Factory Data Reset. And then from here, just scroll all the way down to where it says Reset. And then select Delete All. And now it's going to perform the factory reset. And depending on how many things you have on the phone, how many files, if you have large files, videos, loads of games and stuff, it'll take a lot longer to perform the factory reset. Okay, so the factory reset is now complete. So from here, if you're planning to either keep the phone, if you're keeping it, you can just go through the setup process. But if you're not planning to keep it and you're selling it on, from here you can just power it off by holding down the power button there on the side and just power it off. And that's it, that's all you have to do. Now you can either sell the phone, put it back in the box, sell it to maybe somebody else or a phone shop, or give it to whoever you're giving it to, a friend or a family member. But yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.